Hi guys, I am Payal. I am a content creator at Macron and we make specially videos around personal care and skincare. And in case if these areas are your zone of interest, do not forget to hit the bell icon for daily updates. Also, we also have our personal website and also a completely new and better launched app where you can shop authentic Korean skincare products that are shipped directly from Korea. No matter how tiring or irritating can wearing these masks get, we should not forget that these are a necessity and should be treated like one. However, with the increase in the usage of mask acne or popularly known as maskne have also taken place increasingly. Masknes can occur specifically around the area which are covered by your face mask and can also create some serious breakouts. I am pretty sure in this time of pandemic, many of you must have faced the problem of maskne just like me. Now that we know what exactly are maskne, let's discuss the reason or the causes behind the same. The first and the most common reason are the clogged pores. When wearing a mask, it creates a humidity inside the mask which can be a great breeding area for the bacteria. And when this humidity is mixed with makeup, sweat and other factors, it can cause some serious breakouts and make the case of your maskne even worse. Second reason can be your mask itself. Yes, you heard it right. The type of mask you're wearing and the material of the same should always be kept in mind before choosing a perfect mask for yourself. A mask that is too tight for your face can cause some serious friction which will lead to more dead skin cells because of the continuous rubbing of the mask with your face. Therefore, you should always go ahead and choose a mask which is perfect for your skin and does not cause any irritation to ignore further harm. Now that we have discussed the two main reasons behind the maskne, let's go on and discuss the prevention or treatment for the same. First, wash your face regularly. During this pandemic, it's very important to keep your skin clear and hence you should wash your face regularly with lukewarm water and pat dry it instead of rubbing the towel against your face. In this way, you can ignore the irritation that might be caused by the towel to your face. Second, use a gentle cleanser. Avoid cleansers that have some harsh ingredients in them like perfume or alcohol. A gentle cleanser not only helps your skin keep fresh but also make sure to strip away the excess oil and dirt. I have been personally using the Keep Cool Low pH cleanser. This particular product does not strip away the natural oil from your skin and also help maintain its natural pH. Maintaining these factors of the skin are very important during these times. Do not forget to keep washing your face regularly. The texture of this particular product is neither too liquidy, neither too gel based. It's the perfect texture, trust me. Once you will mix it with water, you will notice that it creates a good amount of foam which is super soft on your skin. Third, after washing the face comes the part of moisturizing your face. Apply a good moisture after washing your face and before putting on your mask. Make sure that the moisturizer does not clog your pores because you do not want to make your acne even worse. Your skin might be having some serious breakouts already, so you do not want any more water loss. And in order to save the natural water of your skin, you have to keep it moisturized. Hence, choosing a moisturizer according to your skin type is very important. I personally have a very dull and dry skin, and in order to give it a good level of moisture, I need to pick a moisturizer which does its job just perfectly. I have been using the Godal Houtina Gordata cream to provide the just right amount of moisture to my skin. I have been using this cream from quite a long period and trust me, it's a lifesaver. The cream is neither too thick or thin, reason why it gets absorbed super quickly into your skin, does not have a sticky feeling. One recommendation that I will be passing to you guys will be do not complicate your skincare. Your skin is already going through a tough time and you do not want to make it worse for it. So do not hammer your skin with lots and lots of skincare. Instead, stick to basics. And once your basics are clear, you can slowly and gradually introduce new products and ingredients to your skin. In case if you are someone who already has some maskne, make sure to cover your acne before wearing any mask. And in order to do the same, you can use Cosrx pimple patches. They come in a variety of sizes, so you can choose one according to the size of your acne and cover it using the pimple patch. Once you have covered your acne, you can go ahead and wear your mask. In this way, you are avoiding friction, which will not only protect but also heal your acne. Also, taking care of your lips is another important point. The skin of your lips is super sensitive, reason why you have to keep it moisturized all the time. You can use a good lip balm. I personally use the Biotique lip balm, which comes in a super cute tube and is travel friendly. I can easily carry it around in my pockets and reapply whenever needed. Lastly, choose mask fabrics that are softer to avoid irritation. Washing your face mask regularly is another important point. A very simple point which a lot of us tend to overlook is removing your face mask only using its strings. This way you are avoiding any kind of touch with your skin. And if you are someone who has a bad habit of touching their face again and again, please use a good hand sanitizer to keep your hands clean. I know wearing a mask can be really irritating, but it's very important to keep on wearing your mask during this pandemic for the safety of others and ourselves. Regularly washing your face, keeping it well moisturized and avoiding any kind of touch will definitely help you prevent masking. But in case if the problem continues, do not hesitate from consulting a good dermatologist. Which reminds me to thank the real heroes of our society, our doctors. Thank you for risking your lives for us. With this, we are coming to an end of this video. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I hope this video was helpful for you people. Until next time, bye.